Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do.
If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoy our videos, do like and share with your friends. For more such interesting videos, hit the bell icon to get the latest update. We will also provide various online courses on our website www.letsdo.com at super affordable prices. Do check them out.
Today we are going to learn a new topic which are tax function used in accountancy. Friends, I have divided this lecture in two parts, in part 1, part 2. Okay, in part 1 I am covering 4 Excel command. Okay, generally these commands are useful for HR function. Also this command is useful for preparation of database in a proper case, okay, in uppercase. Okay, this is depend upon the standard of the company. First command is upper. If you want any text in uppercase, all characters should be in uppercase. Okay, just you have to apply this command upper bracket open, select the cell, close the bracket, you will get your answer in uppercase. Whenever HR department is maintaining records of the employee, that time they have set the standard that the employee name should be in uppercase. That time this command is useful. Just you have to apply this command equal to upper bracket open, select the cell, close the bracket, you will get answer in uppercase. Now Excel has given a different command for lower case also. If you want a text in lower case, then Excel has given a facility to apply this command. Lower bracket open, select the cell, close the bracket, press enter key, you will get your answer in lower case. Now third, that is the most important for HR department. Generally employee data kept in the 3 order, that is first name, middle name, surname. And first name, always first character should be capital and rest is in a lower case. In a middle name, first character is in a uppercase and remaining lower case. In surname also, first character in uppercase, rest of the character should be in lower case. That time this command is useful, that is proper. Just you have to select the text equal to proper bracket open, select the cell number, close the bracket, you will get your answer in a proper case. Last one is left command. Excel has also given a facility to display a first 3 character, first 4 character, first 6 character. Excel has given a facility. This command counting start from left hand side. Excel has given a different command for right hand side also. Now this counting start from left hand side. You have to select the cell equal to left bracket open, select the cell number, comma, and how much character you want, 3 character, 4 character, it should be counted from left hand side. These 4 commands is useful for text functions only. So let's do practice in Excel so that the concept will be clear and you will be master in text function. First Excel function is upper, second is lower, third is proper, and fourth is left. Now we will understand the meaning of upper function. Okay, in upper function all text will be in capital letters. I have given example also. For example, in A2 data content is maths, all data in lower case. So I am applying in cell number A3, the command is equal to upper bracket open, A2 bracket close, my answer in uppercase, all character in uppercase. Now next command, lower. In lower command all text in lower case. For example, In cell number A2, data in capital letters, that is maths, and A3 I have typed the command equal to lower bracket open A2 bracket close. Then my answer is maths in lower case. Third Excel command is proper. In proper command, first letter of each word is capitalized. That is the most important, the note of proper command. Example, in cell number A2, data maths in uppercase, data word in upper lowercase, in lowercase. So cell number A3 I have type command proper bracket open cell number A2 bracket close. My answer is maths data in numeric. First letter of each word is capitalized. So my dear friends, you have understood it how to apply proper command. Generally proper command is used for employee data. True in the case of first name, middle name, surname. Now next command is left. In left command, displaying the data from left hand side. For example, data in cell number A2 is maths data in numeric, and in cell number A3 you have typed left bracket open A2 comma 5. The meaning of this command is you want only first 5 character from left hand side. Now 5 character from left hand side is MATHS. So my dear friends, we'll do practice in Excel. Upper, okay, lower, proper, left. I have given trial balance. Suppose ledger name is in upper lower case, normal case. I am here applying the first command is upper. UPPER bracket open. I am selecting text Abhijit Lokhande commission. Okay. Cell number 8 bracket close. My answer is all word of each data in cell number A8 which I have given in E7 in capital letters, but in A8 data in upper lower case. But when I apply upper command, my data in capital letters. That is the use of upper command. Next command is lower. Suppose if you want your text data in lower case, this command is useful. So I am applying this command equal to lower bracket open. I am selecting text cell number A9. So my answer in lower case. Each character displaying in lower case. Next command proper. In proper case, I have already informed you that in proper case, what is the rule says that first letter of each word is capitalized. So I am applying this command proper bracket open. I am selecting text, that is cell number A8 bracket close. My answer is Abhijit Lokhande commission in proper case. Now last command left. Left says that counting should be from left hand side. Okay. So I am applying this command equal to left bracket open, selecting the text, that is cell I am selecting A9 comma, and I want only 4 character. Please note that Excel has also given that user should type the data as displayed here. The left command says that first you have to insert the text comma, and then you have to insert your data in numeric only. If you type here in alphabetical, then your answer will be wrong. So left bracket open, first you have to give text or cell number in which your text data is there, then comma, then numeric number and bracket close. Meaning of this command is cell number A9 you want only first 4 character, that is ADMI. I hope that you have understood all 4 commands, that is upper, lower, proper, left. So friends, now we will move to summary of the lecture. We have covered first command upper, that is you want your text in uppercase, that is just you have to type upper, bracket open, bracket close. Next command is lower, you want your answer in lower case. Third command is proper case, you want sentence in a proper case. And fourth one is left command, you want counting from left hand side, that is first character, second character, 3 character, 4th character you want. Right? This is the left command. Now we will cover in our next lecture, that is part 2. We will cover right 2, that is opposite of left command. And next command is 6 repeat. You want repetitions, means particular text you want 10 times, 20 times. Particular text, a particular number you want to be displayed on 10 times. This command is useful. And last one is trim. If in a text more spaces, that is minimum space required is only 1. For example, his name is Mahesh Jadhav. In between Mahesh and Jadhav there are 10 spaces. This command will remove 9 spaces and keep only 1 space. Then your answer will be Mahesh space Jadhav. So dear friends, please do practice of this Excel function so that you can easily apply in anywhere. Generally these commands are useful for HR. So that's it for today. Hope that you have understood it. If you have any doubt or query, then please comment down in comment section. And to watch more such videos, then please subscribe our channel. And to never miss an update from us, then don't forget to press the bell icon. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.